I'm Zach, and on today's skill set, I'm gonna show you how to make a fanzine. You can buy my zines at These Days LA, Printed Matter in New York, Zine.com, anywhere disreputable books and magazines and zines are sold. Zines have been around forever, and really they can be about anything and everything you want. This is a zine by a Japanese illustrator, beachgoers in Huntington Beach. Lots of butts. A picture of my Uncle Mike playing accordion when he was 12. Caught in the mix. One of my favorite zines is Bilingual, and this is a zine about if you're an immigrant, say you came to the country legally, what your legal rights are. Every time I go to the store, I see a pack of cigarettes. And I thought, oh, this is kind of funny. I mean, I know these are supposed to make it so that when you see these, you won't smoke, but there's kind of like an irony to it that we are basically hiding away in our houses, trying to avoid death and there's these little advertisements for death laying around. And the photos are obviously made by some stock agency somewhere, so I think they're kind of funny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out these photos and make a zine about it. And I was thinking of calling it Death Kills. You need a piece of paper. First step is to fold it in half. As soon as you fold it in half, it's 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I've already folded some paper up. So just drop each one in like that. All it needs now is the binding. The easiest way to do it is with your trusty booklet stapler. Most of us don't have a booklet stapler. You can get them on eBay. There's also a hack on how to make your own booklet stapler by cannibalizing a regular stapler. You can see here there's a ridge. So one at the bottom, one at the middle, and one at the top. So now your zine is stapled. You just have a bunch of blank pages. What are you gonna do with those blank pages? Is this good? Mm-hmm. So now I've got to make the cover for my zine. Normally what I would do is I would make my title cover on a computer using a cool font or whatever. But since I can't, I could use what's called letraset. Letraset is something that graphic designers used in the old days to lay down type back before they had computers. Then all you do is rub it on like so. Voila. There we go, just like Goldilocks. Just right, Death Kills. So I've got my zine here, it needs to be filled up. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna start with a bang and go with woman coughing up red paint. So as I was collecting these, I was looking for the classic baby with the cigarette. No matter how hard I looked, no matter how many public trash bins I went through, alleyways, piles of 40 ounces, piles of vomit, hypodermic needles, couldn't find it. Now I'm gonna go with model sleeping with a kind of a blue filter. Give it kind of a sense of, it's a little bit morbid, right? I guess. So there we go, an original Death Kills first edition. So after lockdown, if you want to make multiple copies, all you need to do is take it apart, make as many as you want. Voila, you have it. So that's it. That's how you make a zine. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.